If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start making this money together. Hey, how's it going today, everyone? So in this video, I wanted to bring you in here for a trade I took on the USD JPY pair last Thursday for the 7 p.m. daily expiration. Basically what I'm going to show you here on the chart, this is pre-recorded, by the way, the video. The vocals I'm redoing now while watching the video, so I'll try to explain it as we go along with a timely manner. Right here you can see the wicks, the long wick activity and holding above the center Bollinger Band on the last two candles is exactly why I entered on this position. So basically what I'm looking at is we have room to the strike, plus in combination it's likely that we will hold above the center Bollinger Band. Considering the long wick activity to the downside with the red candles, that indicates that there is buyer pressure not allowing it to go underneath the center Bollinger Band. And it just so happens that the center Bollinger Band also happens to be in a great spot for our strike that expires in an hour. Well, in this case, less than an hour. We only have 22 minutes remaining. But I just picked up on recording the video as the trade was going along. So I did enter right at market open. And I was able to get a really good price at $53 per contract. Just one contract in this trade, guys. For a total profit potential of $47, but that just goes to show you the power of finding these perfect storm trading scenarios like you see in this video, that even with just one contract, if you get in one trade a day, that's an extra $47 a day, guys. You may not see these opportunities every single day, so you really got to focus on quality over quantity rather than just getting in as many trades as possible, because in that case you actually do set yourself up for failure more than you may realize. So if you want to find more high quality trading opportunities like you see here, definitely check out the resources in the description. I'll mention more about that later, but essentially this is it, just to introduce you guys to why I got into the trade and where I project it to go. I actually do have a limit order set for 91. It's queued in the order section. You'll see that in the next part of the video. And that about wraps this part up, guys. I'll bring you back soon. Peace. Alrighty, guys. So winding down here, as you can see, we are still holding at the strike. I still have my limit order set at 91. There's only 4 minutes remaining, but as you can see here, we are holding above the center Bollinger Band still at that resistance zone, which is why I'm going to keep my limit order set. We have seen the candle go back and forth over the strike, and that Bollinger Band is starting to press into our strike area. So with only 3 minutes and 33 seconds left to expiration, I would just go ahead and hold into expiration if necessary, but I always do like to take profits early, especially when that's a part of my original plan. So like I stated, this video was pre-recorded without my vocals that you're hearing now. So that's why it may seem like I'm kind of all over the place with trying to explain what's going on the screen. That's why I record usually all my videos with live vocals. But as you can see now, we are getting that candle pulling back up. At this point, I was still pretty confident in the position, but I did keep the limit order active. Normally I would cancel it about 15 minutes to expiration if we are overall a great distance away from the strike, but like I said, since we are so close, I just assumed to have it just in case there is some last minute volatility. It's always best to have that limit order if that's originally what you set out to do. And like I said, the last 10 and 5 minute areas can get highly volatile, so if you have a plan, moral of that is to stick to it. So as you can see here, now we're getting very close to our take profit goal. And here we go. Yeah, you can see my order in the queue up there from my 91. So we have a small fluctuation back down, then back up. And with the last minute and 30 seconds, I really could have just went ahead and canceled my limit order at this point. Hindsight is always 20/20, of course, but when you're in the trade, you have to manage it accordingly. So boom, there we go. We hit our limit order. Great profits in the short term. And like I said, guys, if you want to learn more about how to find these trading scenarios with a higher probability for success, then check out the Informed Traders educational package down below, where I cover in detail through a video series of how to combine different technical trading tools like my favorite indicators in conjunction with support and resistance areas to ensure high probability long-term profitable trading scenarios just like you see here. In addition, we also offer the shadow trading program where you'll be added to our private group and trade with me 5 nights a week, Sundays through Thursdays at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, where we take positions just like you see here on a daily basis and make steady profits month in and month out. Peace, guys. Hope you enjoyed. If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start making this money together.